In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dark mode button in Webstudio. A dark mode toggle lets your visitors switch between light and dark color schemes, which can reduce eye strain and make your site feel more modern. We're going to keep this simple and reliable by using Webstudio's HTML embed, so you can drop in a small snippet that handles the toggle without changing your whole layout. Start by heading to Webstudio, and once you're logged in, open a recent project or create a new one. Either option works fine. If you already have a page design, you can add the toggle to your header or navigation. If you're starting fresh, a blank canvas is perfect. You can build everything from scratch inside Webstudio, but the quickest path to a dark mode button is to embed code that toggles a class and switches colors. Add an HTML embed to your page, click the plus button, search for the HTML embed element, and place it where you want the button to appear, typically near the top of your page so it's easy to find. Once the embed is selected, look to the right side of the interface. You'll see the Style panel. Right beside it is the Settings panel. Switch to Settings to access the code input area for the embed. Paste your code into the embed. The code should include three simple parts: a button element your visitors will click, a small script that toggles a class like dark on the root or body element, and CSS that defines your light and dark colors. A common approach is to use CSS variables for things like background, text, and accent colors, then override those variables when the dark class is active. That way, the entire site updates consistently without rewriting every style. For accessibility, make sure the button text or icon label clearly indicates the current mode, and that contrast remains readable in both themes. If everything looks good, click Preview. In the preview, click your new button to switch between light and dark. Watch for color changes on backgrounds, headings, body text, and links. If something doesn't change, double check that your CSS variables match the elements you want to restyle and that the class name in your script matches your CSS. If the button isn't responding, ensure the script runs after the button exists in the DOM and that there are no typos. That's it. You've added a dark mode button in Webstudio using a clean, reusable embed. Tweak your colors, swap in an icon, and enjoy a polished theme toggle that your audience will appreciate.